That's incredible. What is that? Those clubby cars. Now to my right. Here we are at the NEC on setup day, just with the XJS Club. So I'll flip you around and show you the cars we've got on display. This one you'll probably recognise from previous shows. This is the Lister XJS, Simon Sparrow, the Classic Mechanic Hungary. Beautiful looking car, still looking in amazing condition. Wonderful car. And over here we have a very rare Lynx Eventer, an XJS that's the estate version. Really quite a special car. See the hinges here for the real tailgate. Starfish alloys there, 15-inch. Amazing to see that here. And just behind we have the Monaco XJS 1992. Love to see this car here. Quite a lot of work done on this recently, and it shows. Nice V12, similar to my car. But just look at the wheels on this. These are absolutely amazing. And look at the width of it. Just here you can see it's very wide, almost Lamborghini Diablo type size tyre. Thanks for amazing handling. So here we have a very nice 4-litre XJS Coupe. Beautiful BRG, British Racing Green. Later style 16-inch alloys. Amazing to see this here again. Such a beautiful deep green colour. Over here we have another 4-litre 886 engines coupe, red, belongs to Edwin. Lovely paint job on this. 16-inch wheels, beautiful beige interior. Really nice car. And over here we have my car, the 5.3 V12 XJS Coupe. Good run over here. Just spent some time cleaning it up to make it look presentable for the show, which opens tomorrow. First day is Friday, this is Thursday. This is the setup and build day, where we get all the cars into position. We've even got some posh fake flowers as well, just for good measure, just to give it a touch of class. Looking really, really good for tomorrow. Amazing though, isn't it?
We're getting there.
Yeah, it's hard, it's really hard, but it looks, yeah, I can't see any smears. Where I look on mine, I could just see a little smear here and a little smear here, but
I think the first thing to remember is perfection cannot be achieved.
But no, it's looking amazing. It really is. It really is.
Spend the rest of the day telling James you've got the correct engine.
Oh, the V12. Yeah, yeah. This is going to be what, an AJ16, isn't it? I think so. Yeah. Sorry, nerded. But yeah, I think it is. It's it'd be an AJ16, which is oh, go on. Yeah, if it's that clean, I will. Yes. Oh, look at that. Actually, that light's going to work really well. It really picks up the. Look at this. It's almost like factory new, doesn't it? Stunning. Wow. Oh dear. Where do we vote? Is it done on votes or is it judges on this one?
Judge, not voting, James. Judging.
Oh, shame. I'd definitely give this a vote. Not that I'm at all biased, but you know what I mean. It's still, even its own merit, it's definitely worth it. Absolutely amazing. Oh, and the chrome tips are beautiful as well.
Yeah.
Oh,
Brand new.
oh, is that cheating? Is that allowed? Brand new. You managed to find some
from America.
Oh, so this is all the silver and gold ware for
Yeah.
all the competitions that have been won.
Apparently, it's the dealer magazine at the time it came out.
Wow. Okay, I see.
That's the original jack. Obviously,
Yep.
never been used. This won't
Oh,
be.
the toolbox.
All
Look
the
at the
toolbox,
toolbox. That looks posher than mine.
It's again.
Oh, and the jack. Yes. Oh,
Oh,
look.
yeah. And then
I have a copy of.
this is the bit.
Yeah.
Also,
Oh,
you've
look
got
at this.
all the.
Oh, is this all the service books and everything? It should be
Still-
really.
still-
Oh, that is beautiful. So where's it? He's got another one with all the dealer stamps in, I
I
suppose.
don't think this is car original.
All right.
I think this is
just to embellish. Yeah.
probably many hours spent whiling away on eBay till the right bits came up. And
Yeah.
I know a lot of it's come over, like you say, probably come from America and stuff. But
But what a collection though, eh?
yeah,
That's outstanding. Oh, another beautiful XJS. Look at this. It's a labour of love. Comprehensive 3, 4, 5 year restoration. 6 litre. Oh, I can still feel the heat coming off it as well. Absolutely stunning example. Love these. Look at that. It's got a little bit of XJS envy. I'll get over it in a minute, but it's just beautiful. The colour, isn't it? It's
look at the paintwork.
adorable. Yeah, that's what draws me to it. It's just there's no orange peel paint on there. It's just such a lovely, beautiful thing. That I love the OCD nature, and I'm not criticising because I'm slightly OCD myself.
That's
so.
exactly what got us.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. It's like I want it perfect. Yeah.
Yeah.
And it blooming well shows as well. What a love! It's the first time I've seen this car in the flesh. I've seen all the
Okay.
magazine and write-ups and everything.
Yeah.
But
That came that came out of my parts bin.
oh, did it? In
Yeah.
the garage somewhere.
Yeah.
Fabulous.
So what we discovered
Yeah.
was that these are the same for the pre-facelift as well.
So they do look. It looks a little bit chonky.
The body and the
Ah,
wire
right.
and stuff.
Oh, okay.
Darren said, I can't find these. I can't find. Oh, I've got some.
You had one of them.
No, these.
Oh, the
Ah,
plastic talks there.
yeah.
Oh, right. Okay.
So it's odd little things that between us.
Oh, yeah. Well,
Just to find stuff,
I have to find stuff
Just to get the-
thanks, just to get it just right.
Wow, look at that.
So clean.
Fitted blinds, cruise control, and electric seats.
Everything guys, lovely.
Yeah, but I don't want to
Beautiful car. Sympathetically restored. Amazing colour. .2, but still a very respectable engine bay. Amazing. Love these cars. Look at this Renault Alpine GTA. Beautiful. Look at this. Fabulous. Two states. Oh, I don't know. Amazing. Amazing. Oh, all the detailing stuff. Amazing.